So for cutting out the retainers, I like to use this cutting burr. So you'll just slide it into the handpiece, and then you want to make sure it's locked. I always like to give it a pull just to triple check that it's locked. You can never be too safe back here. And then you'll turn your speed up to about 30 to 35 when you're cutting out. Then you'll pull your mask up, glasses on, and you're going to grab your first model. I'm not going to turn that on just for the sake of the video. It's going to be very loud. But so now to start the handpiece, you'll hit motor. And you need to be very careful with this handpiece. So you'll take the cutter and you'll make a line distal to that back molar, very distal. Even sometimes I like to leave it where there's still some gum tissue. And then you go to the other side. Okay. And then I'll swing the model around so that way I can see the lingual. And when you're doing this with the cutter, you always want to make sure that you're rotating your hands in a way where you're less likely to catch the burr on, cutting yourself. So I'll start in the middle of the lingual. And then I'll go all the way till that cut that I made distal of the 6. Same thing. Then you're going to come lingual or buckle. And then I'll go about halfway, and then I'll rotate my hand again. Connect that line and bring it all the way. Then you'll set your handpiece down and turn the cutter off. And then you just you can push the model out. You can make a cut on the plastic to where it connects to the model to kind of disconnect it. Totally up to you. You'll grab a buffalo knife. And you want to very carefully, because if you're too rough, it can kind of disform the plastic, but you'll just kind of work it right off of that model. And we leave a sheet of the plastic on so that way it's a little bit more clear, and then you just take your scaler and kind of pick it out, just like that.